option A. Maybe make this deeper, the whole thing. Set this whole base down a little lower so that this can sit down lower. I don't really know how that'll work with this angle here. I'm gonna have to buy a new one anyways. Maybe I can make this bend just a little. It's got a little bit of room. It might be okay. I don't need to go down far. I'm only hitting that much. And then on this one where it's rubbing here, I'm not sure what the fuck I'm gonna do yet. I might just bring this in some so that where this ends up where it's rubbing, because that's where the engine ends up when I'm under throttle. Right here you can see the base part. I mean, plenty of fucking airflow going in. Then it has to ramp up and over to come in. Now, mind you, I shortened this a little bit too, so it doesn't have as much to go through. But that knocks off a little bit of the filter, but there's still that much fucking filter. Say about 3 inches. Now if we come over here, slam that down, I mean, fuck. It takes about 1/2 inch out the top. We had about 3 inches, so we probably had that. If I take 1/4, it's gonna come down to about that. That's still a solid 2 inches. I think we'll be plenty good. It's all just coming in over here and over here anyways. Phase 1, cut this, flipped it, stuck it down, cut 1/4 inch here. Phase 2 complete. I make Frisbee. For our next trick, this edge is hitting way in here, so this needs to come in and down without looking stupid.